Hello everyone, this is Nutritionist Shivangi Garg. So today I am going to make garlic bread with no maida, no oven and no yeast. Okay guys, come let's see what all ingredients we need. So here is the list of ingredients. I want to give this garlic bread a little nutrition and make it healthier, so I'll be using whole wheat flour instead of maida. Now we'll mix all the ingredients together and knead the dough. Now slowly pour the water to knead the dough. The dough should not be hard and not too much thin. It should be medium. Now cover it with a cloth and keep it aside for half an hour. Now I'll sprinkle some atta and flatten it with my hand. Roll the dough with the help of baleon. You can see how I'm doing it. For making butter spread, melt the butter and add oregano and crushed garlic and mix all these together. Now apply butter spread with the help of a brush and sprinkle cheese only on the half portion of the garlic bread. Now fold it and with the help of your fingers seal the garlic bread. You have to again apply butter spread before putting it into the kadhai. Gently make lines with the help of a knife. Do not cut the garlic bread so that it is easy to cut later. That is why we'll make the lines. Now take a kadhai, at the base put some butter spread. Keep the gas on low sim and cover the kadhai with a lid. Guys, you can make it in OTG also at 180-degree temperature. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes but do check once in the middle. After 15 minutes you will see my delicious garlic bread is ready, which is exactly like Domino'S. Because I gave cuts, so it is very easy to cut with the help of a pizza cutter. Enjoy this mouth-watering Domino's style garlic bread with your friends and family. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel.